In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Google Chat in Gmail. This process is really straightforward and should only take you about 5 minutes to complete. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google's homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log into your Google account. Look for the sign in button typically found in the upper right hand corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Once you're logged into your Google account, it's time to navigate to your Gmail. There should be a grid icon or the word Gmail at the top right of the screen. Go ahead and click on Gmail so you're taken to your Gmail dashboard. This is where you'll manage your email and soon Google Chat as well. Now that you're in your Gmail dashboard, you'll need to access your settings. Look for the gear icon, which is usually in the top right corner of your Gmail interface. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From here, select See All Settings to delve deeper into the customization available for your account. After you're in the settings, find and click on the Chat and Meet tab. This is where you'll manage various chat settings for your Gmail account. This section is crucial as it hosts the options you'll need to toggle Google Chat on. Inside the Chat and Meet tab, you'll see a few different options. Look for the chat-related settings, identified simply as Chat. This section typically contains a couple of options that allow you to select your chat preference for your Gmail account. To activate Google Chat, simply click on Google Chat. This option enables the chat features within your Gmail, integrating it seamlessly with your email to boost your productivity and communication. Once you've clicked on the Google Chat option, don't forget to save your settings. Scroll to the bottom of the page if needed and look for a Save Changes button. Click on it to apply your new settings, which include enabling Google Chat. And that's it. You've now turned on Google Chat in your Gmail account. You should see the chat interface appear on the left side of your screen, ready for you to start chatting with your contacts. This integration should make it easier than ever to stay connected with colleagues and friends without needing to leave your inbox. Thanks for joining today's tutorial. We hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions and stay tuned for more helpful tech tips and tricks.